नमस्कार। आर के त्यागी, गाज़ियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली। ओम सच्ची जनवानी चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। चैनल सब्सक्राइब करने से हमारी बड़ी मदद होती है। चैनल का विस्तार प्रचार प्रसार होता है और आपको 1-2 सेकंड लगते हैं। ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। और मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है 8588898205, 8588898205। तो इस पे आप मुझसे सहयोग कर सकते हैं, सहयोग ले सकते हैं, सहयोग दे सकते हैं। आइए, मिस्टर DS मूर्ति के कम्युनिकेशन 2 मेरे पास आए हैं, उनको मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। कह रहे हैं, यूनियंस आर डेस्परेटली ट्राइंग टू मेक ए माउंटेन आउट ऑफ मोल लाइक स्ट्रीट बेगर्स फॉर लेवी collections. Even the notional 100% DA has not been applied while computing the meager ex gratia for all the pre-2002 retirees, which ought to have been done as envisioned in the 12th BPS of 8 March 24. Conspicuously, only AIB's Excel sheet alone has figured the said 100% debt relief, which has notionally applied while computing ex gratia. Even its bootlicker outfit miserably failed to exert pressure on their mentor, godfather AIBA leadership in this behalf. Same on their part. This is besides aligning debt relief to 2016 base price index level. Consequently, there would be upward revision in basic pension also. However, merge it might be that too without prejudice to our demand of RBI pattern in the pending Singhla's case in SCI, of course. Consequent to merger of DA into BP basic pay at various stages during the earlier BPS from 5th to 11th BPS, multiplying factors according to have to be worked out to bring all the pensioners to the common 8,088 points DR merger of 2016 is equal to 100 price index level as per the example given in the following. This exercise is expected to be undertaken during ensuing reviews meeting in April 24 as envisaged in 12th BPS dated 8 March 24. For more clarity, please go through the following content as enunciated by our learned friend comrade R. Vijay Raghavan Garu of IOB. और ये इन्होंने इसमें कोई लिंक दिया है 29/3/2024 का। 12 BPS बैंक रिटायरीज वेब कैलकुलेटर टू अराइव एट एक्स ग्रेशिया पर मंथ फ्रॉम March 24 एरियर्स फ्रॉम November 22 to 24 रिवाइज ग्रोस रिवाइज्ड एंड नेट पेंशन फॉर March 2024 विजय राघवन IOB बैंक। देयर इज एन एविडेंट सेंस ऑफ disappointment and resentment brewing among the pensioners regarding the current settlement on the ex gratia payments. Many perceive it as merely another increase in dearness relief, and even doubling the agreed amount might still fall short as adequate compensations, particularly for senior retirees who have not seen their pensions updated. Although there is mention of aligning debt relief pensions with the 2016 base index, the settlement remains vague about the conversion factor required for this transition without merging debt relief with pension for retirees across various BPS. Achieving this alignment seems improbable. The conversion factor for revision of pension is expected to be disclosed during April 24 review. A preferable solution should be to gather tether the ex gratia payments of the revised pension with a higher percentage allocated for senior retirees currently under the 12th BPS ex gratia is calculated based on the October 22 basic pension plus DR, employing different factors for retirees from various BPS periods to know the amount of ex gratia per month arrears on account of the ex gratia from November 22 to February 24, gross and net pension payable from March 24. Please visit my website www.bankoviju, इस पर आप देख सकते हैं। लिंक हालांकि इन्होंने दिया है पर मैं इसमें लिंक क्या बता नहीं सकता वीडियो में। The web calculator has been enabled to calculate and furnish the following particulars for the month of March. Number 1, DR for March 24. Number 2, ex gratia 12th BPS amount per month. Number 3, gross pension for March 24. Number 4, net pension for March 24. Number 5, arrears payable on account of the ex gratia for November 22 February 24। ये आपको सभी इसी लिंक में भी मिल जाएंगे और ये वेबसाइट पे www.bankoviju यहाँ भी आप देख सकते हैं। वैसे मैं लिंक भी बोल देता हूँ https://bankoviju.in-apps-dr-calculator ये है, उससे भी आप देख सकते हैं। विजिट माई वेबसाइट बाई क्लिकिंग द प्रोवाइडेड सिक्योर लिंक एंड लिंक मैंने बता दिया आपको। फॉलो द स्टेप्स गिवन एज अंडर ए सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट रिटायरमेंट पीरियड फॉर फैमिली पेंशनर्स, चूज द डिसीज पेंशनर्स रिटायरमेंट पीरियड फॉर और द फैमिली पेंशन कमेंसमेंट पीरियड इन केस ऑफ डेथ ऑफ एम्प्लॉइज while in service. Family pensioners should choose retirement period of the pensioners and note the commencement of the family pension while choosing the retirement period. Number B है entire the basic pension sanctioned subsequently revised before effecting the deduction for commutation, that is without deduction for commutation since DR is calculated on basic pension. This has to be taken for calculation. Also revised pension is also calculated on basic pension. Number C, enter the deduction amount for commutation. Deduction for the commutation is to be given where full pension is not restored. D, if the commuted portion is restored or the deduction is nil, enter 0 for those who retired before 2007. Mostly commuted portion would be nil as by this time full pension would have been restored. Exception pension commutation option exercise at the later date for family pensioners. Commuted pension portion would be nil. तो ये इन्होंने दिया है अच्छा। एक ये इन्होंने आगे लिखा 10th BPS बेसिक पे 24,960 DR 117.10%, 29,228 ग्रोस पेंशन 24,188 ऑन मर्जर CPI 8088 PNT 91.2% अमाउंट मर्ज 22,764 नोशनल BP 47,724 डेट रिलीफ 15.73% 7,507 रिवाइज पेंशन ग्रोस 55,231 आएगी ये। तो ये इन्होंने एक एग्जांपल भी दिया है। एक मैं इसका थोड़ा सा और भाग भी सुना देता हूँ। एक और मैसेज है इनका बाई मोहन पी बैंक पेंशनर्स ने ये लिखा है एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ रिपीटिशन लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दैट द मर्जर ऑफ CPI 8088 एंड चेंज इन CPI सीरीज टू बेस ईयर 2016 is equal to 100 instead of existing 1960 is equal to 100 is yet to take place for pensions prior to 1st November 22. I had already provided illustrations on the impact on the such merger on 5th to 11th BPS JN pensioners earlier. Same is kept under residual issues. Now unions expect that same would be extended to all past pensions to as in the case of employees and pensioners under 12th BPS. For your understanding, I have attached details pertaining to BP of 2460 जो मैंने अभी ऊपर बताई थी. 10 BPS excretia 2 may be there. You may also note that through this process the benefit arrived may be not much. Regards मोहन पी. हालांकि इन्होंने भी एक लिंक दिया है, मतलब बोल भी देता हूँ आपको ये लिंक भी. https youtube.hyphen-youtube.b-he-pmu8y3khi /NSHLOEJUF749VD10. ये है इनका, DS मूर्ति ने भेजा है. तो ये था साथियों, नमन. भारत माता की जय, वंदे मातरम. एक बार फिर अपना मोबाइल नंबर 8588898205. राजेश कुमार त्यागी, RAJESSKUMARTYAGI. डिस्क्रिप्शन में मेरी डिटेल्स देख सकते हैं आप. थैंक यू. भारत माता की.